Ever feel like you know the words, but your mind just goes blank? Or you start talking and it just doesn't sound right? You're not alone. Most English learners feel this. The hesitation, the fear, the self-doubt. But here's the truth. Confidence isn't a gift, it's a skill. And today, you're going to build it. With real English you can actually use. Welcome to Native English Practice, your daily place for real speaking practice. In this video, you'll hear a natural, real-life conversation with native-style English, full of everyday phrases and expressions. Then we'll dive into the most important part, shadowing practice. The fastest way to boost fluency, confidence, and clear pronunciation. It's simple, it's fun, and it works. Let's begin.
Oh, hey there. Do you live in this building too?
Yeah, I just moved in last week. Apartment 204.
Oh, nice. Welcome to the neighborhood. I'm Jake, by the way.
Thanks. I'm Maya. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too, Maya. So, how's the new place treating you so far?
It's good. Still unpacking, but I really like it here. It's quiet and clean.
Yeah, that's one of the best things about this place. Peaceful and friendly.
That's good to hear. I was worried about noisy neighbors.
Nah, everyone's pretty chill here. Except maybe the guy with the drums upstairs.
Oh no, really?
Don't worry, he only practices on weekends. Mostly.
Okay, I can live with that.
So, where did you move from?
I'm from Seattle. Just moved here for work.
Seattle, huh? I hear it rains a lot there.
All the time. I kind of miss it though. This weather feels too sunny.
Trust me, after one winter here, you'll start loving the sun.
I'll keep that in mind.
What kind of work do you do?
I'm a graphic designer, mostly branding and social media stuff.
That's cool. I work in marketing. We might actually speak the same creative language.
Oh, really? That's awesome. Maybe you'll understand my design struggles then.
Oh, I do. Clients always want just one more change.
Exactly. That line haunts me.
So, how are you settling in?
Not bad. Still figuring out where everything is. The trash, the laundry, grocery stores.
Yeah, it takes a few days. There's a small grocery store just across the street, by the gas station.
Oh, I didn't even notice that. Thanks for the tip.
No problem. And if you ever need tools or tape or random stuff, I have a drawer full of just-in-case items.
That's good to know. You sound like a real homebody.
Guilty. Yeah, I like cozy nights more than loud parties.
Same here. I'd pick movies and tea over clubs any day.
See, we already have something in common.
Looks like it.
By the way, if your Wi-Fi ever stops working, you'll have to be really persistent with the company here. They're slow.
Oh, good to know. Mine's already acting up.
Yep, welcome to the club.
I'll keep calling until they fix it.
That's the spirit.
So, what do you usually do for fun around here?
I like walking. There's a nice park about 10 minutes away. Great for clearing your head.
Oh, I love walking too. I used to take long walks after work to relax.
Same. It helps after staring at a screen all day.
Definitely.
Oh, And there's a coffee shop nearby, Maple and Bean. Have you been?
Not yet, but I saw it while driving by. Looks cozy.
It is. Best cold brew in town. You have to check it out.
Noted. I love coffee, so that's happening soon.
I go there almost every other day. It's kinda my happy place.
Maybe I'll see you there sometime.
Maybe you will.
You seem to know this neighborhood really well.
Yeah, been here about 2 years now. At first, I thought about moving, but it grew on me.
Yeah, sometimes a place just feels right after a while.
Exactly. It's got a nice community vibe. Like people actually say hi.
I noticed that. It's refreshing. Back in Seattle, everyone kept their heads down.
Oh yeah, that city rush life. Here, it's more laid back.
I like that. I think I need more laid-back energy in my life.
Don't we all?
You said you work from home, right? Does it get lonely sometimes?
Sometimes, yeah. But I kind of enjoy the quiet. And I've got my plants.
Oh no, you're one of those plant parents.
Guilty again. They're easier than people.
True. Mine always die, though.
You just have to find the right one. Try a snake plant. Even I can't kill those.
I'll take your advice.
So, what brought you to this city exactly? Just work?
Yeah, my company opened a new branch here. It's a big step for me, honestly.
I get that. Moving to a new city takes courage.
Thanks. I was a little nervous at first, but everyone seems nice.
That's good. And hey, if you ever need help carrying stuff, or even just someone to grab coffee with, I'm around.
That's really nice of you. Thanks.
No problem. You seem cool.
I try.
You know, it's funny. When I first saw you, I almost just waved and left.
Really? Why?
I didn't want to be that awkward neighbor guy.
Well, I'm glad you didn't. I was thinking the same thing. Should I say something?
So we were both nervous.
Guess so. But it turned out nice.
Yeah. Sometimes small talk turns into real talk.
True. And you seem easy to talk to.
You too. This feels natural.
Yeah, like no effort.
Exactly.
So, about that coffee shop, Maple and Bean, right?
Yeah, I was actually heading there. Want to join?
Sure, why not?
Awesome. It's a 5-minute walk. Do you usually walk everywhere?
Yeah, I try to. Parking here is terrible.
Oh, tell me about it. I once parked 3 blocks away and had to carry groceries in the rain.
Oh no, that sounds painful.
It was. I was soaked to the bone.
That's such a classic bad day.
Yeah, but those make good stories later.
Totally.
So, when you're not designing logos or unpacking boxes, what do you do for fun?
I like watching movies, reading, and sometimes baking.
Oh, really? What's your best dish?
Probably chocolate chip cookies. Classic, but solid.
Nice. You know, if you ever need a taste tester, I volunteer.
You're just looking for free cookies.
Maybe, but I'm honest with my reviews.
Deal then. I'll bake, you judge.
Perfect arrangement.
You know, this is really nice. I didn't expect to have such a long chat.
Me neither. It's rare these days. People are always on their phones.
Yeah, I miss real conversations like this.
Same here. I guess that's how you really connect.
Exactly. Sometimes just talking can make a day better.
Totally agree.
So, what's your favorite thing about living here?
Probably the sunsets. You can see the sky turn orange from my balcony. It's beautiful.
That sounds amazing. I love sunsets too.
You should come check it out sometime. Best view in the building.
Maybe I will.
Cool.
For me, I think my favorite thing here so far is the peace. I used to live on a noisy street. This feels calm.
Yeah, peace is underrated.
Totally.
You know, it's funny. This morning I didn't even know your name. Now we've talked about coffee, cookies, and bad parking days.
True. Guess we're officially neighbors now.
I'll take that.
Thanks for the chat, Jake. This was fun.
Same here, Maya. See you around?
Definitely.
Cool. Have a great evening.
You too.
Great work. You didn't just watch, you practiced. And that's exactly how you improve. And don't stop here. Click the next video right here for another real-life situation you can master today. See you there. Real English. Real practice. Real progress. Only with us.